Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your OnlyFans account. So you can do this in your mobile device or in your PC. It's similar process in any of these. So first of all, open any browser and open the OnlyFans website and log into your OnlyFans account. So after you log into your OnlyFans account, the page looks similar like this. And to delete your account, go to your profile, which is on the top right corner of the screen. So click on it and go to settings. So after your settings screen loads, click on account, which is the second option after profile. Now scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and there you can see the option delete account. So click on that, and now you have to enter the captcha word. After entering the word, click on the option delete account on the bottom of the screen, and it will ask for your confirmation to delete the account. So again, click on yes, delete, and that should do it. Your account will be deleted. So this is all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.